Hello guys, today I'm going to tear down this and put a rechargeable battery and make it a rechargeable keyboard. So I'm going to use this screwdriver to unscrew those screws. There are 4 underneath. So let's begin. First remove this battery cover. And after removing all the screws, I can tear it down, and here you can see the circuit, actually the main board. Let's remove it further. I'm using this plastic thing to click those buttons to unlock the main board, and here you can see the touchpad. It is a sticker like thing. Those are the buttons, and this has a silicone sheet. I can remove it too, and let's place it back, and I'm gonna show you where to put the charging pins. Here you can see I have already soldered it to the main board. I took it from an old phone, very old phone, a button, Nokia button phones. Here I soldered already. You can see there were empty terminals. Actually, the keyboard with a rechargeable battery is more expensive than this one, which we can put already charged batteries. So we can use the charging cable and charge the battery now. Okay, let's wind it up. So now let's place the battery and see whether it works. Yeah, after turning the switch on, it works. So you can see it turns on. Here you can see it's only this battery. No, there you can see, and I'm gonna plug this dongle to my USB hub. There you go, dongle or whatever it detects, and you can see. Let's press something. Windows. Oops. Oh, yeah, it works. You can see the mouse point. It's working. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Meet you with another good thing.